Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Tanti Rahmawati from Educational 2017. In here, I want to explain my thesis proposal with title The Influence of Economic Literacy, the use of electronic money and lifestyle on consumptive behavior. Chapter 1, we have research background. Since the presence of COVID-19 has made the world situation worse with the enactment of the PSBB, it has caused a decline in the economic sector. Many companies are threatened with bankruptcy and wage cut, and even layoff occur. While the level of consumption must be continued to be met, but income is reduced, so people must consumption. COVID-19 has been going on for 2 years, and world condition are gradually improving. The Indonesian economic has also increased, as indicated by an increase in GDP from 2020 to 2021, which means there is an increase in income, so that is stretch people purchasing power or consumption of goods or service. The increase in people purchasing power is caused by consumer behavior, where consumers consider buying an item or service based on the level of need, not desire. If people buy a product based on desire and think irrational, so from recession, is there any effect of economic literacy on consumptive behavior? Is there any effect of electronic money on consumptive behavior? Is there any effect of lifestyle on consumptive behavior? And last, is there any effect of economic literacy? And we have benefit of research. First, theoretical, to contribute the development of science and add insight in the field of education and economy. And we have practical, for me, means to add my insight and my experience. For readers, to input science development, and for Faculty of Economy, to donation of library collection for students. Supporting theory. First, we have consumptive behavior. Consumptive behavior arises from the behavior of consumers who do not consider in buying products. This law and are trapped in consumptive behavior by Damiati et al. 2017. And we have expert opinion by Pulungan and February 2018, I et al. 2019, and Sumartono and Jabar 2002. So, from the expert opinion, we have concluded that consumptive behavior is an action taken by a consumer to buy a product or service that is cried out not considered rationally between wants and compared to needs. And we by Pandey and Batakara in Nur Aini 2015, Japeli 2009, and I et al. 2018. From expert opinion in economic literacy, we can conclude that economic literacy is an ability possessed by individuals to be able to conduct study in classifying the funds they have in order to meet their daily needs. And we have electronic money by Ramadhani 2016, and theory electronic money by Bank for International Settlement in Anneke et al. 2020, and Afifa and Pudiantoro 2022. So, from the opinion expert, we can conclude that electronic money is one of the payment instrument innovation that emerged as a result of the impact of increasingly rapid technological development using certain electronic media which are owned by consumer and have been licensed by regulated in Bank Indonesia regulation. And then lifestyle theory by Mawan and Minor in Pulungan and February 2018, Irene Sudi and Kanserina in Afifa and Pudiantoro 2022. So from the opinion expert, it can be concluded that lifestyle is a pattern that is carried out in a person's life in carrying out a series of daily activities from favorite interests, hobbies, and habits so that they can shape the way the individually act to use the time we has and the way the individual to manage his finance. Okay, from the theory, we have a research constellation and theoretical framework. First, the effect of economic literacy. There is an influence between economic literacy and student consumptive behavior. The higher the level of economic literacy possessed by students, the more rationally they will be in buying goods or service, so as to minimize consumptive behavior of students. And we have the effect of electronic money on consumptive behavior by Dewi F. O, Fauzia Nurhasana, Insan Nur Afia, Yuliani. In this research, there is a significant positive effect between the use of electronic money with the consumptive behavior of students. The existence of electronic money make it easy for students to make transaction to meet their needs. So that the easier transaction that are passed to meet the needs of student make the level of consumptive behavior owned by student increase. And third, the effect of lifestyle on consumptive behavior by Afifa Anoraga. In this research, there is a significant positive effect between lifestyle and consumptive behavior student. The more luxurious lifestyle, the more luxurious and hedonism student have, the more they will they will have an impact on increasing the consumptive behavior of student. And fourth, the effect of economic literacy, electronic money, and lifestyle on consumptive behavior by Irene Sudiro and Asandi Mitra 2022. By the research, there is economic literacy, economic money, and lifestyle can affect the consumptive behavior of students. This indicates that with the low economic literacy possessed by students, the use of electronic money is getting easier in conducting transaction, and the lifestyle that is owned by always following trends that occur without thinking about the needs to create consumptive behavior owned by students. Okay. In here we have research methodology. First, time and place. The study starts from July 20 and 22 until it was completed. Research place in Beauty Enthusiast group on Telegram as research in it. Second, research design. The research used quantitative method with online tests and survey population, beauty enthusiast group member as many as 212 people. Sample by proportional random sampling. obtained as many as 138 samples. Instrument development. Consumptive behavior. Indicator of consumptive behavior according to Sumartono and Jabar, 2002, sorry. Economic literacy. Indicator of economic literacy according to the National Council on Economic Education are measured tests by the Standard in Economic Survey. Electronic money with thumb or technology acceptance model theory developed by Fred Davis by 1986. Lifestyle indicator with AIO, activity, interest, and opinion theory developed by Casali. And we have data analysis technique. First, research instrument test, validity test, and reliability test. Assumption test, we have normality test, linearity test, multicollinear skedasticity test, regression test, multiple linear regression analysis, and hypothesis test. We have partial test, simulation. Terima kasih. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.